pitched on first game of the series on Friday night to shutout innings.
And Acosta takes care of Espinosa on 3 pitches. Here's the 1-2, and it's tapped just to the left of the mound. Tough play, barehanded by Cedeno, and he got him. Great play by Ronnie Cedeno to throw out Suzuki for the second out. Like your team has to be a postseason team. Stammen down on strikes. Acosta sets him down 1-2-3 with a couple of strikeouts. To the 7th we go, 5-1 Nats.